Hey guys, today I'll be walking you through a simple and efficient and well-working ability to Photoshop in Microsoft Word. Like if you're trying to make I don't know, maybe a PowerPoint, make it look cool, something nice. So today I'll be showing something maybe you might want to put in a slideshow that you're showing for the maybe if you're doing history, maybe the Romans, Spartans, old wars like that, rivalries, big rivalries. All right, so we got the Spartan here. Maybe you want to look, maybe like you want to look nice, so it doesn't look like he has an actual shadow. You can see it right back here. And so you want to get rid of all that blueness and the shadow, so it doesn't look as weird. So you want to double click, or you could just click on it, go to Format, and you want to hit Remove Background. Now you'll see that there will be a line. You have to move that line so that it does not cover up any part of him that you would not want to remove. And so you move it away from it, and now you can see that there are still purple lines over some parts of him that you might want to keep, like right here on the shield. You might want to keep that. And see, nothing else is removed on him, so we're good there. But you do see a spot right here where there is a spot that you should remove, because that would just look completely out of place and weird. So you just go ahead, you mark areas to remove, and you have to draw a line like this to remove an area. And so now you keep all changes, and now he has no background, no weirdness. Okay, so now we need the last pictures. In the last picture, we need the Persian. So right here, which would be basically the Spartan's mortal enemy, I guess you could say. So you want to move him back here, but since his shield is at an angle, and you wanted to make it look like he's actually shooting at him, you have to move him back there, make him look a little bit smaller. Now you have to remove his background, do basically everything I did with the Spartan. Just make sure everything that you want to keep is there, like so. And everything you want discarded is gone, like this. We need to remove right here. So that basically just helps us out right there. And just keep all the changes, and should look something like that. Sometimes it'll come out weird and jagged all like that, but then if you see something wrong with it, you can go just redo it again and find an area to remove or keep, like that. Or there's also a delete mark, which would just make it basically easier to do. So like that, and there you go. Should look better. And for the last touch, you need to bring the arrow. Persian you can easily see has a bow and arrow, so I mean he's gotta be shooting an arrow. So you have to make this smaller. You see how there's nothing to remove in the background so far, so that'll be fine. You just gotta make the arrow size accordingly, so that looks about nice. You see, you want to make it look like he's shooting it, but since like that would just look weird just to kind of stick into the shield like that, you know, it looks all jaggedy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on him, we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna bring him forward, and we're gonna send this arrow backward. So now it looks like it's actually sticking into the shield, and you move right there. Now that's basically all you have to do to get like a nice looking Spartan blocking an arrow from a Persian. You could put that across a PowerPoint, put all your words in this section, have them firing across. And you can always move it, do whatever you want with it, add a couple of things, you know, maybe you could have a couple other people going on. But yeah, that's basically just a short, simple walkthrough of how to Photoshop. And I will show you the rest of my creations that you have seen part of so far. Basically, I just kind of experimented with it at first, and then I just kind of, you know, figured it could be used for something helpful. Or you could just have fun with it, you know, just kind of do whatever. And you can see right there, I've done this previously to test it out, see how it would look. And so I'd made it into a larger version right here. Showed it to you all, how to actually Photoshop. You can do plenty of things with Photoshop like I did here, just kind of did a couple weird things, just kind of experimenting with it. But yeah, that's basically all there is to it. Removing the background, setting things up, bringing it forward. But there are some complications, like with this. Took a long time to get the moon, the alien, and the UFO just kind of all set up. And like, you can have fun with it, just do whatever. But you could also do, maybe you want to do something funny for your space PowerPoint. Like if you're studying the stars or anything, do something funny like this. Or something actually historical like this. And that's all. Maybe I'll see you next time.